Vivo Y400 Pro Plus has been reportedly listed on the BIS and Bluetooth SIG certification websites ahead of its rumored launch in India. The Vivo Y300 Pro Plus features a 6.77-inch AMOLED FHD Plus screen that supports a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The device is equipped with the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It came pre-installed with Origin OS 5-based Android 15. The Y300 Pro Plus has a 32-megapixel front camera and an OIS-assisted 50-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual-camera setup. The device is equipped with a 7,300 mAh battery with 80W charging support. A rebranded version of this phone is available with the ICA Z10 moniker in markets outside of China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.